Hey guys, 𝐒𝐞𝐭 back with you, and today I'm going to be filming off the GoPro, and I think the mic quality facing forward is not too great unless I'm behind the camera. But today I'm going to be showing you my GT86, and I have a few things that I should carry to my car before I go. And before we do anything, for all my Filipino viewers out there, kamusta po kayo? Ako po si Romeo, at welcome sa aking channel. To all my Arabic viewers out there, Assalamu alaikum, ana Ismail, marhaba. So yeah, we're gonna start, right? I have a few rags I should carry to my car. You know, they're all yellow. I don't know why, but they're different textures for like different things. Like this one is for the interior when it's dry, because this is just like dusting cloth. This is too dry. Something like spills in the car. Also this one too. But this one is for the paint. It's outside. So you know, it's fleece, it's, you know, it's good stuff basically. So I'm gonna take those to my car. I'm gonna show you around. Alright, so in the trunk of my car I don't have much. I'll put my rags here. I also have one packaged fire extinguisher toolkit. And that's about it. Okay, so first I'm gonna walk around the car and I'll show you, you know, you've obviously seen a GT86, an FRS, or a BRZ in the US, or the, I don't know, wherever you are. But this is a 2016 GT86 with an aero or aerial body kit. I bought it off a guy who already had it. They said it was from factory. I don't know if that's an option or not, but you know. It has 17-inch OEM tires, I mean rims or wheels, and then I have some Michelin Primacy. I don't know what I have, but it's a 215/45 R17. I do need some spacers because, yeah, it's quite a tuck, including at the back. It has the Boxer inline Boxer. It has the Boxer engine, which I'll open up. It is keyless entry. I'm gonna pop the hood here. Alright. Where's the latch? Behold, that is the Boxer 4 from Sugo. This is the same engine, I believe, that comes on the WRX minus the turbo. Yeah, I just detailed my car, just the top, not the bottom ones, as you can see. So, because I am going to be attending a car show, and I just want it to be, you know, presentable. I'm not going for the professional detailed look, the winning car show. I just want to display my car because it's kind of, it's not, you know, the most rare thing, but I've only seen like 4 or 5 here. I might need to dig deeper. Yeah, my plate's a bit broken. I need a plate relocator for that. The wing is nice. It depends on the angle you're looking at, but for me, I'm very tall, guys. So it looks okay here, but it looks even better when you're like down low, I think. So yeah, onto the interior. All right, so the interior, everything is all stock. I just bought like car mats just to throw around because I don't want the original ones to get nasty and grimy. So everything in here is stock. The red, including the red bolstered seat that comes with it's an automatic. Unfortunately, it's a 6-speed auto, and I actually don't have a problem with that because most cars here are auto and they're like 10% are manual. So yeah, it seats 4 people. I mean, 2 adults and 2 kids maybe, but yeah, that's all I need for now, at least for the next 5 years. So yeah, I'm actually gonna give you a cold start because I am going to be installing a mod, and that is a free exhaust mod, just for the meantime, just for the car show, so I could show up with something a little bit more right? I met up with the guys already, and they already talked me through whatever, and I'm actually gonna be part of an organization, and you know, it's gonna be great. Alright, so I'm gonna set you down here. I busted out the tripod, and let's see how this sounds. now I'm gonna head to a nearby mall. It's actually right there behind me, and I'm gonna go pick up some parts, a washer, to put on the exhaust later on. And if you want to hear how it sounds the next time, so you're gonna have to watch another video of mine. It's gonna be the one next to this before prepping the paint for the car show or the car meet, whatever. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna end this one here, and this